Okay, so here is my remote that I wanted to replace because the battery wasn't holding charge, so I've not been using it, but it works fine. You can see on the television that the mouse is moving. There we go. And if I point it towards my air conditioner for using infrared, turns on straight away. Off, on, off, on. Okay, so now I'll get the other one and I'll try and you can hear the noise of the air conditioner. I'll try and turn it off. So the other one is here. Here's the new one. The C2 Melee. And with this one, not only do I have to press set before I can use an infrared learned device, I've trained it to be that one, and nothing happens until I get to there. I may as well just press the button with my finger.